How you doing? It's DJ Rickey Ricardo coming at you again. Now this is the part 2 video of how to use your Akai MPD26 or your controller towards Flstudio with Flstudio's FPC. So basically I already have everything loaded up, but for people that don't know, you basically right click into your channel rack. It doesn't matter which one of these buttons you right click on, or just right click on any one of these buttons. You go to insert and you look for the plugin. Basically the plugin is somewhere around here. They're very hard to find. Oh, here it is. FPC. Click yes, and here it is right here. So basically I've already what you do here now is when you have your mixer plugged in, it's not, FL Studio doesn't have the pads automatically synced up to the FPC's pads. So what you got to do is in each one of these squares, okay, this might take about like 10 minutes to do. You basically click on the you click on the pad first. See how it's out of sync? How these are all wrong? I'm clicking the first pad, which is this pad right here on my MPD, and it's the wrong button. So what you got to do is you got to manually customize the buttons to the right pad. Okay, so basically, if you look right over here to your what is this diagram? Your hint panel, it tells you that you're pressing the key F4, which is the name of the button you're pressing. Yes, it's basically we're focusing on the first button. So the first button is supposed to be F4. I'm pressing F4 and it's going over here, which is wrong, so we're going to correct that. So in order to correct that, you go over here to your MIDI note, which tells you the key you're supposed to set it to. So this is the options. You go into here and you set it to F4. So you're going to look for F4. Here it is right here, F4. Okay, this is set to F4 too. So let me load up my presets. So this will be a lot easier for me to do. Okay, because I've already done this, I don't want to do it over again. Actually, that's wrong. That is wrong. Why is it not loading up my preset? Alright. It looks like we're going to have to do it over again. So basically, for this key, the first key is F4. Okay? The second key is supposed to be E4. Now, once you press it on your controller, you have to also click it on the VST. So you want to set that to E4. So right now it's set to G4, which is wrong. So we're going to set it to E4. So we're going to look for E4 here. E4. There it is. So we have this and we have this. Now we're going to go to the third one. We're going to click on it. It says D4, so it's supposed to be D4. Let's go look for D4. There we go. So we got D4. Now we need to fix this because it's the same as the first pad. So let's see. This is supposed to be C4. C4. So look for C4. There it is. So basically we got the first row done. Now we need to do the same thing for all of them until you reach to the bottom. So this pad right here is supposed to be C5. So we're going to go here, go into your MIDI note options and look for C5. Here it is right here. There it is. So okay, we're going to move to the next one. This is supposed to be B4. B4. Looking for B4, 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 B4. Here, B4. Okay, move to the next one. Hit the pad first, and then click on the pad, the block on the VST. So this is supposed to be A4. A4. Got that done. Move to the next one. Hit the pad first. It's supposed to be G4. So we're gonna click on that. Go to your MIDI note and look for G4. Done. Okay. What's this supposed to be? G5. Okay, we're gonna look for G5. G5. The next one is supposed to be F5. I'm gonna go here, go to F5. F5. Okay, next one. This is supposed to be E5. So we're gonna look for E5. E5. Here we go. Sorry, I picked the wrong key. There it is, E5. Go to the next one. Next one is supposed to be D5. So we're going to look for D5, D5, D5. Here's D5. Good. So look what we have now. Yes, sir. And it's all being controlled from my MPD controller. Okay, so this is supposed to be D6, D6, D6. Next one is supposed to be C6, so we're going to look for C6, C6. Here we go, C6. Next one is going to be B5, B5. So B5, B5. Look for B5. Here we go. And the last but not least, the last key, or the last pad. And that is supposed to be set at A5. So A5. 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 Here it is. A5. Boom. Now, people, ladies and gentlemen, we have all the pads set up the right way. So now, when you want, is in each of these pads, you can change the sample and put your own samples in there. You can load your own customizable drums and kits and loops in each one of these squares. You don't have to use these crappy sounds that comes default with it. See, that's the good thing about this program and this interface, is that you can use your own manual sound effects and your own samples in here and play it actually like you have a real MPC. You know what I'm saying? Isn't that dope? So to stop you guys from doing this shit all over again, you're basically going to have to save the save the presets, so that you don't have to do this over again, because this is really annoying. So I think you either go into the save the note layout. Let's see this. Save the note layout. I'm just gonna put it as MPD. MPD. Right? And just to be safe, we're going to save the presets to be MPD too. And save all waves, save for FL, and I think that is it. So, isn't that crazy? Now you can make a beat with this controller without even having to pay $1,000 to buy an Akai 1000 or Akai MPC 1000. You could just do this shit right here off of your Akai MPD and do all the sampling right here, instead of spending so much money on a real MPC. know what I'm saying? Now have fun with this, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please share and comment, and let me know if you like this video, if it helped you out. And don't be afraid to ask for help, or don't be afraid to let me know what tutorials I should make next. Thank you, and be safe out there from this damn coronavirus. And I've got some new music coming out, so you guys will I will keep you guys up to date with that. And peace out and be safe. DJ Rickey Ricardo out.